So this is a quick overview of GoConverse and integration into Microsoft OCS R2 or Lync 2010/2012 as it is now. So what feature set will we gain from this? What integration we can offer is RCC, remote call control, and that enables the CIX or IP edge to connect to the Lync server or the OCS server, and when you trigger a dial on OCS or on Lync, it will actually use the phone system as the voice path between the two people. Plus also it will show busy lamp field information back into Lync of people's handsets. So if someone's on the phone, effectively it'll busy back into Lync so you don't ring them when they're on the other phone. So quite a useful feature set. What it'll enable, as I said, is dial, answer, hang up, hold, retrieve, and so on calls, send DTMF, put call forwards on, and so on, all through the Lync or the OCS client, as you can see from the examples on that page. Also shows presence. You can see that everybody's green. But if somebody picked up their handset or went busy in Lync or OCS, then they'd be shown in call on that as well. How does it work? Let's say that's a very simplistic diagram of what the system looks like. What we would do is we'd put a PC in place between the phone system and the OCS or Lync server, and that PC would be running the software called GoConverse, and it'd be running the node license, connecting via CSTA into the VX, and it would connect via SNMP and SIP into the OCS server, and that would then act as middleware to adapt the communication between the two systems. So key things as far as this is concerned: the GoConverse is software-only gateway and running virtualized as well, but it's designed to bridge the gap between Microsoft Office Communications Server and a Toshiba phone system, be it IP Edge or be it Strata CIX. Each CIX or IP Edge will require its own GoConverse license. You license it via node, and then you license it via the individual users. And supported products will be the Strata CIX range, as you can see there. IP Edge is also supported, and we'd need a suitable server to put it on, and obviously the various mock clients there that are supported. Pricing is very, very cost effective on it. If it's a CIX40, then it's just 50 quid for the node license. That's because it doesn't need the CSTA. CSTA license pushes the cost up a little bit, but it's still fairly small. Strata CIX, £300, and IP Edge, £300. And then the licensing packs for 20 users, £150, 100 users, just £500. So it's very, very cost effective to plug a Toshiba IP Edge or Strata CIX phone system into a Lync server and get the best functionality of both systems by passing the busy information and the call control between the two systems. On the futures perspective, we're currently in beta trials of GoConverse Mobile, and what GoConverse Mobile does is it provides that same rich presence functionality, but providing it actually on a mobile phone, and it will support iOS or Android. And you can see from that example there, that's on my call history, that's showing my call history on my mobile of my desk phone. So it enables me to use my my mobile to track people's presence, to look people up, to look at call history and so on. And if I want to dial, I just hit the dial button and I can trigger a dial off my desk phone, or I can, if I go into mobile mode, as you can see from the second example there, I can trigger the dial from the mobile phone as well. So a lot of flexibility there to use a mobile device to control remotely the phone system. A couple more examples there. You can see the busy lamp field information there in the second screen, or the presence if we're talking about IP. We can see whether people are on the phone or not. If we want to then dial them, we would just hit that button and it would dial, or if we knew their extension, we can punch it in. And you can see there on the right hand side, I'm looking up a name of somebody on the system, and I look it up on my mobile, and it gives me all the various uses of those, so I can find the exact person that I want to trigger a dial to, and then I can just trigger that dial from the mobile, and my desk phone will ring that person.